everyone. So we are going to start the question number C. On a graph paper, draw the shapes having the following areas. So a graph paper also you can take, or you can take a sheet of maths paper, or आप ये भी कर सकते हो. And third thing, what you can do if you don't have a maths paper or a graph, what you can do here, you have Hindi line copy. ऐसे करके Hindi line copy आपके पास. Okay, just make horizontal line with yourself. ऐसे horizontal equal lines draw कर लो आप. Okay, so it will be act as a graph paper. So let me show you what I am going to start. Suppose this is a graph paper. What you have to do in this one, in your book it is written on a graph paper, draw the shapes having the following areas. I'm going to show you the second one, how to do the second one. Okay, second one में क्या है, 6.5 square. So how will you draw this 6.5 squares का? We have to make the area. Okay, so how we are going to do this? See, 6.5, 6 के तो आप बना सकते हो, आप कोई भी 6 squares ले सकते हो. You can take any 6 squares. For half a square, what you are going to do, let me show you. See here, for 6.5, I'm going to count 1, 2, whoa, wait for a second. Let me change the color as well as lines. This is the line format, will be this. Okay, I'm going to select any 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3 blocks here. 2s are 6. So there will be 6 blocks. And a half का क्या करेंगे हम? And a half में, okay, we are going to just for an and a half में ये जो full block है, ये full 1 block जो है इसका half cover करेंगे बस. Okay, ये 1 full block का सिर्फ half cover करेंगे and we will draw like this and like this on a graph paper या फिर मैथ्स पेपर या मैथ्स नोटबुक वाला जो पेज मैंने आपको बताया, या फिर हिंदी 9 कॉपी पे भी आप उसका हाफ कवर कर लो. 6 block and a half block like this. You draw the lines outside it. Okay, this will be 6 और इसमें लिख दो आप ये कितने का है. This is figure number 2, 6.5 square. Half I cannot write, so 1/2 if it is able to write, let me check. 1/2.
Maths, which page number?
It is not on any page number. It is page number actually on 132. Question number C we are doing. Question C of page number 132. Draw the lines like this. Second वाला मैंने आपको बताया. This is question number 2. इसके आगे आप लिख दो figure 2. ऐसे ही आप first question करो, second करो, third करो, fourth करो अपने आप. Arif, start doing it. What are you waiting for? Start doing it and send me the work on WhatsApp. जल्दी से. Do question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Do all 4 questions and send it to me on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I have joined right now. What are we doing?
Everything is there written. You have to do question number C. Start doing it. Question C. Start doing question. Now we are going to start the next exercise, that is 11.3. We are going to start. You can complete that one and send it to me afterwards. Now, because since 10 minutes are only left, so I'm going to start the next exercise. That is 11.3. We are going to start next exercise 11.3, and it is given on page number 133. Okay, it is given on page number 133. Now I'm going to show you what you have to do. Actually, what happens? See here. This is one square. Look here, everyone. Look here. This is one square box. This is one square box. This square box is of side 1 centimeter. Since all sides are equal, अगर ये 1 centimeter है, तो ये भी आपका 1 centimeter होगा. ठीक है? So whenever we take out the area of square, so whenever we will take out the area of square, तो वो equal होता है 1 centimeter. हम इन दोनों की length की और breadth की इसकी multiply कर देते हैं. तो क्या होगा 1 सेंटीमीटर वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 सेंटीमीटर, 1 1 जा 1, और सेंटीमीटर के ऊपर एक छोटा सा स्क्वायर लगा देंगे, छोटी सी 2 की पावर 2 लगा देंगे. It is known as centimeter square. What we call it as centimeter square. What is it known as? Centimeter square. छोटा सा 2 लगा देते हैं ऊपर. ठीक है. For area, whenever we calculate area, suppose area 1 into 1 centimeter को when we multiply by centimeter, when we multiply centimeter by centimeter, since there are 2 centimeter, so we make it as centimeter square. Okay, understood? Okay, so I'm going to start the next question on 11.3, exercise 11.3, page number 133. Take it out, everyone. So this is the question. Count the squares. I hope you can see my board as well as the board given here, as well as this also. ठीक है, मुझे भी देख सकते हो और इसको भी देख सकते हो. I hope both of things. Count the squares and find the area of the given figures. Each square is 1 centimeter its length and breadth. So if one is square, if you can see on my board, look at my board. Wait. I hope my small video is also coming. I'm going to tell you that. What is it? So one square is given, one small square which is given to you. If one square is of 1 centimeter length and 1 centimeter breadth, that means 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. So one square का कितना हो गया? 1 centimeter square का हो गया. I hope you can see this. It is visible to you. I can show you and stop sharing this, and I can show you. Like 1 cent square is equal to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter square. So if you have 2 squares, it will be of how many square centimeter? 2 squares कितने के होंगे फिर? Tell me. 2 squares will be of how much? 1 square is a 1 centimeter square. 2 squares will be of how many centimeters square? Tell me. एक स्क्वायर एरिया 1
centimeter into 2 centimeter.
Area of 1 square is 1 centimeter square. Then area of 2 squares will be 2 centimeter square. Area of 3 squares will be 3 centimeter square. Okay, like this. So we are going to do the question like in this way only. This question in the same way. So here, if you can see here, how much is the length and breadth? If you can see this one, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 squares are there. So area of this first one will be 9 centimeter square. यहाँ पर लिखोगे 9 centimeter square. And centimeter के ऊपर छोटा सा 2 लगाते हैं. I don't know how it will come. So I am going to write it on my board. It's not coming. So better if you see the answers on my board. I am going to write down the answers here. So first answer is 9 centimeter square. Do all of them.
Then we have
Jaldi
to
karo
do
sare.
in the copy.
Beta, book, maths book. If it is written here also. Until and unless I write maths fair notebook, तब तक book notebook में कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Okay, first answer क्या होगा? 9 centimeter square. Tell me what will be the second answer. What will be the second answer? I hope you can see my board now clearly. हाँ, second answer बताओ अब क्या होगा?
5 centimeter square.
5 centimeter square. 5 centimeter square. Okay, now tell me what will be the third one?
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Will it be 6 centimeter?
6 centimeter square.
6 centimeter square. Very good. Okay, fourth one. Tell me what will be the fourth one?
7 centimeter square.
7 centimeter square. Okay. Fifth one.
5 centimeter square.
5 centimeter.
5 centimeter square.
Okay, sixth one.
मैम 8 सेंटीमीटर।
मैम 8 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर।
8 centimeter square. Okay, now I'm going to show you my board so that you can check the answers. These are the answers. These are the alternatives you have to do it in maths book. Book में ही करना है, not in notebook. This is 11.3. Sorry,
That's done.
exercise 11.3 we are doing.
Ma'am, I have done.
Page 133. Okay, now let's do the next question. Give me a minute. Let's do the question number. Next question number is what? Question B of the same exercise. It is also same. Let's complete it quickly. It is same as that one. Count the squares and find the area of the square. If each square is 1 centimeter in length and breadth, it is same as the previous one. बस इसमें irregular shapes है. Let me tell you how to do the fourth one. Let me tell you. Okay, third one बताती हूँ. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to do the third one. See beta. Oh, I'm sorry. How to do the third question. Like irregular figures भी हैं इसमें. आपको regular figures नहीं, irregular. For example, circle is given. How will you calculate it for circle? See now. Okay. Okay, as you can see circle, let us पहले हम ये देख लेते हैं full वाले कितने हैं. This is full 1, 2, 3, 4. अब ये बेटा ये वाला देखो almost full ही है. 5, 6. और ये वाला भी ऑलमोस्ट फुल है. 7, 8, 9, 10. ये भी ऑलमोस्ट फुल है. 10, 11, 12. 12 हो गए बेटा ये सारे के सारे. These all are 12. फुल वाले कितने हो गए? 12. Okay, now let me count the half one. हाफ वाले कितने हैं? 1, 2. बेटा remember 2 halves makes 1 full. तो ये वाला हाफ और ये वाला हाफ, ये टोटल कितने हो जाएंगे आपके? 1. 12 तो थे, अब ये हो गया एक 13. 13 ये हो गए 2 हाफ्स मिल करके, और ये वाला हाफ और ये वाला हाफ आपके कितने हो गए? ये वाला हाफ और ये वाला हाफ 14. सो आंसर ऑफ दिस थर्ड वन इज 14 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. आंसर ऑफ दिस थर्ड वन इज 14 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ऐसे ही इसका भी करना है. देखो 1, 2, 3, 4 तो फुल है. 4 फुल है. ओके, ठीक है. और इन दोनों को मिला के ये 5 हो गया, और इन दोनों को मिलाकर ये 6 हो गया. इन दोनों हाफ को मिलाकर के इट विल बिकम 6. ओके, तो इट्स फोर्थ आंसर इज 6.